Watch this video and learn how to draw a Christmas stocking.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. That's a nice greeting.
Yeah,
You're in a good mood.
Artie in a very good mood.
Are you in a good mood because it's Christmas time?
Yeah,
Should we make some Christmas art?
yay! Artie make art.
Artie, make Christmas art.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Artie, are you ready to draw something Christmassy? Let's draw a Christmas stocking.
Yeah.
This'll be fun.
Man, Betty, look at that blank piece of paper. Isn't it exciting?
Oh, the possibilities!
Okay, Artie, let's begin. We'll start with an S-shaped line on the lower left side of the page. From the end of that line, do a straight line going up at an angle. That looks great. Now, opposite that line, let's do a second line, also angled, coming downwards. Awesome. Now I think we should draw the heel. Let's draw a curved heel shape at the bottom of the line. Now let's draw a toe shape at the bottom of the left line. Now let's connect the toe and the heel with a straight line all the way across.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw the top of the stocking. 3 little curved lines on the left and 3 little curved lines on the right. 1, 2, 3. Very good.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
You'll see soon, Mikey. Now we're going to draw a bumpy line across the top of the sock and another bumpy line just underneath. Now we've drawn a sort of cloud shape on the top of the stocking. Let's separate the tip of the toe with a curved line. And let's separate the heel with another curved line. Let's add some cartoon stitching. That's just short little lines across the toe line. That's it, Artie. And then let's do some across the heel line also. Fantastic.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it!
I think we should add a stripe to the top of our stocking. 1 line across the top and another line just beneath. Let's draw an upside down V inside that stripe. 1 more line and we'll make an upside down V. There you go, Artie. Yes, it's a funny upside down V. Let's do another one right next to the first one. Very nice. And for good measure, let's add 1 more upside down V. Now we've created a nice pattern inside our stripe. Joke break. Okay, we can stop and have a joke break. Mikey, are you ready?
Man, I sure am glad we're here inside. The weather outside's awful. And speaking of the weather, what happens when it rains cats and dogs? You have to be careful not to step in a poodle. What did one lightning bolt say to the other lightning bolt? You're shocking.
Oh, Mikey.
What's it called when it rains chickens and ducks? Foul weather.
That was a good one, Mikey. Very funny. Should we finish our Christmas stocking drawing, Artie? Okay, come on then. Let's finish it up. Let's draw a little loop at the top of the stocking on the right side.
Why?
Well, because that's how we hang the stocking over the fireplace so that hopefully Santa fills the stocking with gifts.
Yeah.
Well, it's looking pretty finished, Artie. What do you think? Why don't we add a little bit of texture?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's add lots of tiny little dots, and that'll make the stocking look like it's made from fabric.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
A few more dots on the heel. Let's do some dots on the top part as well. On Christmas Eve, we'll have to keep an eye out to see if Santa puts some gifts in your stocking, Artie. Well, that's looking pretty finished to me, Artie. It just needs some colour, of course. What do you think, little artists? Finished! Make sure you pick some Christmassy colours, Artie.
What this drawing needs is...
Some color. You're all finished! I love the colours that you picked, Artie. Red and green is very, very festive. Well, you've been a very good boy this year, so I'm sure Santa's going to put some really nice gifts in your stocking. I hope he does for you too, little artists.
What incredible art!
Great job, buddy!
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye!